Bumbling in this JCB. I'm 5 years old and my dad's a giant sitting beside me. And the engine rattles my bum like berserk. While we're singing, don't forget your shovel if you want to go to work. And my dad's probably had a bloody heart. He's being good, fine and bumping, joking away. And the procession of cars stuck behind. They're getting all impatient and angry.
Proper place for it, this, isn't it?